There is a Mexico, this is Belize, and this is Cuba, this is Trinidad and Tobago, it is Guyana, and this is the Suriname, this is Venezuela, Ecuador, Argentina and Panama. This point is the Panama point. Now, first is Panama Canal. So, for shipping disruption, there is a shipping disruptions. Okay, this is the problem of this area. And the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean both are constructed by a waterway that is known as the Panama. So you can see in this diagram, this is Panama Canal, this is the United States of America and South America. This is North Atlantic Ocean, this is South Atlantic Ocean, and this point is the Equator. Now Panama's capital name is a Panama City, Panama City, and the India Panama signed the MOU for the electoral corporation, for the electoral and corporation. They both were signed an agreement for electoral corporation. This is Mexico, this is USA, this Cuba, Jamaica, Panama, Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Belize, and this area is the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so the Costa Rica and the Colombia both bordered up to the Panama. So we can see here Costa Rica, and the second one we can see here the Colombia. Costa Rica we seen, and the Colombia also we seen, and in between the Caribbean Sea to the north and Pacific to the south. So there is the Caribbean Sea to the north and Pacific to the south. Okay. Next is Suriname. So Suriname is a capital is Paramaribo. Paramaribo. And this Indian president was conferred with the highest civilian honor to the Suriname. So it honored the highest civilian award. Okay, and this is the 150th anniversary of the arrival of the Indian Suriname. And there is a first group of 300 Indian identify the laborer reached to the Suriname. The ship was the Lala Rook. Lala Rook. An MOU was signed for the recognition of the Pharmacopoeia. So Pharmacopoeia is the MOU, and there is the French Guiana and Brazil and Guiana. 3 areas are there. Next one is Cuba. Capital name is Havana, and this is China has a spy base of Cuba. Okay, तो चाइना ने यहाँ पे क्या स्टार्ट किया, दैट इज द स्पाई बेस ऑफ द चाइना, दैट इज इन द क्यूबा and Havana, and this area is near to the Mexico. You can see this is Gulf of Mexico, this is Caribbean Sea, this is Atlantic Ocean, and Cuba is the country of the West Indies, the largest single island of the archipelago. It is archipelago. Next one is Belize. Capital is Belmopan. Capital is Belmopan. So this is Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean Sea, and there is a Belize, and this area capital is Belmopan. So this is World Health Organization is certified the Belize as a malaria free. This area is a malaria free, and this is near to the Caribbean Sea and is situated to the Yucatan Peninsula. There is the Yucatan Peninsula. So Belize and this part of the Yucatan Peninsula, there Ecuador and El Salvador, Guatemala, this is Pacific, Costa Rica, Panama, you can see here all areas. Now next one is Argentina. So capital is Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires, and letter on the intent with the Hindustan Aeronautic Limited held an agreement on the lithium exploration. That was in this area. Land border is a Chile and Paraguay and Bolivia के साथ ये land border लगता है. Water body यहाँ पे है Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and land border जो है चिली, फिर बोलीविया, फिर पराग्वे और उरुग्वे. ठीक है, तो चिली हो गया, बोलीविया हो गया, पराग्वे और उरुग्वे. सो चिली एंड पराग्वे, देन उरुग्वे, एंड एक है बोलीविया. Now next one is the Ecuador. Ecuador की जो capital है that is Quito. Okay, so this is Ecuador, this is Quito. The emergency has been imposed due to the assassination of political leader, and political boundaries are Colombia in the north and Peru in the south. So this is Colombia, this is Peru, and here is the Ecuador. The Galapagos Island come under the jurisdiction. Which island? Galapagos Island comes in this jurisdiction. Next is Mexico. It is Mexican city. Okay, and this is Mexico is the Supreme Court rule to the law prohibiting abortion. So abortion से related जो laws है, abortion that is unconstitutional. That is unconstitutional. So land border is the USA in the north and the Guatemala and Belize in the south. USA in the north and Guatemala and Belize in the south, and the water bodies are the Pacific Ocean. Then will be the Caribbean Sea. Okay, then will be the other fact, one of the country along the ring of fire, and this is the ring of fire. Okay, one of the country is the ring of fire. Next one is Trinidad and Tobago, that is port of the Spain. Trinidad of Tobago, and it is the port of the Spain. Port of the Spain. Okay, so this is set of the open application of the interference and digital goods. For the digital goods, we sign a MOU with the Trinidad and Tobago, and this is the country near the port of the Spain, Venezuela, Colombia, Brazil, French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, Atlantic Ocean. Then there is the United States, Cuba, Haiti, and the Dominican Republic. Next is the Guyana. Guyana is the capital is the Georgetown. Georgetown